Oh, who am I? Green fingers? Green thumbs? I'm green! Naturally! Oh, hello, little shoot! Nice to meet you. I'm green! Whoa! Look what I did! I coloured you green! What else can I colour? Can the ground be green? Oh, yes! It's green grass! Great! And something tells me the leaves on a tree should be green too. Oh, hello, little frog. Let's colour you green. What's that? You're lonely? I'm off on a colouring journey. We could make this world greener and find your family along the way. When the green shoots spring up on the hillside, then you know that new life is on the way. When the buds begin to sprout and the leaves are bursting out, nature's pushing through and it's here to stay. When you're walking through the fields and forests, keep this in mind. There's one fantastic colour that you'll